Ready? Start. The perennial problem of working out the reservation system given the scarce employment sources has been raised to the present dispute. Full stop. Notification was issued on 12/6/2019 by the Teachers Recruitment Board, Appellant number 3, inviting applications online from eligible candidates for direct recruitment to the post of postgraduate assistants and physical education directors grade 1 in school education and other departments for the year 2018-2019 in Tamil Nadu. Full stop. Para. The requirement for various subjects was carried out smoothly, but the filling up of vacancies for the post of postgraduate assistants in chemistry has caused some disputes in which the respondents were applicants. Full stop. In terms of the notification, a total of 356 posts were notified for chemistry, out of which 117 vacancies were available for most backward class and denotified community candidates. Full stop. The breakup of 117 vacancies was of 74 backlog vacancies and 43 current vacancies. Full stop. Para. The respondents, among other candidates, applied for the aforementioned post online and appeared in the written examination on 28/9/2019. Full stop. Post verification of certificates, a provisional selection list was published by Appellant number 3 on 20/11/2019, but the names of the respondents were absent. Full stop. Para. The respondents claimed that on scrutinizing the list, they found that the meritorious candidates under the most backward class quota, who would have been selected irrespective of any reservation, had not been considered under the general vacancies but had been appointed in the most backward class denotified community quota again the backlog vacancies. Full stop. This had caused the respondents not to be appointed. Full stop. It was their submission that the meritorious candidates were required to be adjusted against vacancies on merit in the general turn, and it is only thereafter that the backlog vacancies had to be filled in the and thereafter, lastly, the current vacancies under the quota had to be adjusted. Full stop. Para. The selection propagates the social philosophy of vacancies for result category not lapsing in case there are inadequate number of candidates. Full stop. Thus, instead of offering it to the general category, a provision has been made to carry forward those vacancies for 1 year. Full stop. In case even in the succeeding year, these vacancies are not filled in, then it goes to other categories. Full stop. However, crucial issue arises from the last sentence of third proviso to section 27F, which provides for the selection of appointment for the next direct recruitment to be made, first for backlog vacancies and then the normal rotation shall be followed. Full stop. Meaning thus has to be assigned to what is implied by the expression first vis-a-vis the backlog vacancies. Full stop. Para. It is the case of the appellants that the clear provisions of the section must be given effect to, which in turn, would imply that on the basis of merit the backlog vacancies had to be first filled in. Full stop. After those vacancies were filled, the appointment had to be made on merit in the general turn. Full stop. Thus, such of the candidates who made it on merit, would be adjusted against those seats, while the remaining would be adjusted against the reserved vacancies.